Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you about Habitica. So to get to it, you just have to Google search it, and then it should be just be that first link. So Habitica is also an app that you can get on your phone, and it's a personal scheduling device. So when you first start, it has you create your little avatar. So you can change like the body size, the shirt, the skin color, the hair. One really cool feature is that you can actually add a wheelchair to your avatar. And then you can also just change the background of it. And then you just click out of that. The next thing it has you do is set up kind of a template. So it asks you like what things you want to work on in your life. So then there's work, health, teams, creativity, exercise, school, and chores. So you click the ones that you want to work on, and it gives you this template. So like habits that you should have or get rid of, and then daily things that you should be doing every single day, and to-dos. So after you have that template, you can either just go in and edit it. So this one's work on a creative project. If I wanted to personalize that, I could say work on my tech video. And then I could even add like specific notes for that, and then you just save it. So then another way you can add tasks is you can come here, so you can add whatever habit you want to add, a daily thing that needs to be done, just a to-do thing, and you can even add rewards. So, and that is right here, the rewards list. So you can even like customize. So if like they really want something in real life, you can add in like a Game Boy or something, or anything like that. And then you can actually click on it and edit it. And you can change the gold to as many as you want. So if it's like something really expensive, you can put it for like 200 gold. And the way you collect gold is actually by finishing a task. So let's say I finished a video, then I earn gold from that, and I also earn experience. And once you hit level 15, you actually can start fighting monsters and other things like that. So it's an actual game. And you can end up like buying different like clothes and stuff for your character, and different items and such. Another thing, when you're personalizing these, you can actually change the difficulty. So if it's something that's really hard for that student that they really need to work on, you can change it to hard, and then when they complete it, it'll give you more experience and more gold. It's a really good app or website for kids who need more initiative in doing like things like turning in their homework or just like showering in general. And it has a free trial, but after the free trial, it is around $5 a month. There is a group package as well. And if you do the group package and there's multiple students in one class, that are using it, you can actually like battle with your friends and turn it into a friend type game.